Cindy! Yay! Cindy! We got a Filipino style nickname, Cindy. Because Cindy's got nothing to do with her name.
Hello. Follow me.
Hey guys, Journey here and my baby Athena, which we've nicknamed Cindy. Yay, Cindy! We got a Filipino style nickname, Cindy. Because Cindy's got nothing to do with her name. Anyways, today we're going to do a build, and I'm going to attempt to make my own version of a Parol. Parol. I think I'm pronouncing it properly. Parol. It's a traditional Filipino Christmas decoration, the star with a light inside, wrapped in paper, rice paper or something. But we don't have old materials because we're not in the Philippines, so I'm making do with what we have. And baby here doesn't want to let go of me, so got her on baby carrier, so I can still use two hands. And I just gotta be a little bit more careful and do stuff. So I will go through what I'm gonna be using and what I have to work with. So here I have the circular saw. I got my impact driver. I got my chill sling set. I got my set of screw bits. I got my batteries. Then I have my screw gun. And then this little fella is a back scratcher. I'll tell you why I need to have that later.
A few moments later.
So, with the back scratcher, why do I have this here? So I can scratch my back. A few months ago, I can't remember, it seems so long ago, but I got the shingles. That's what I got a while ago, shingles, and it's damaged my my nerve endings in my I can't remember the areas, but it's in my back and coming across to my chest. So it gets really itchy, and yeah. So that's why we have this tool here for my back.
Soon after.
Here is the materials I'm going to be using. So they just basically cut-offs from doing other projects, like an unfinished project over there. Got some drawers. And these are MDFs. So that's what I'm going to use. That's the start. And I'm going to cut this in half to make another two pieces. And then that's all the long pieces I need. Then I'm going to make smaller pieces inside. And this is what I'm going to use to be the light source. So I pulled this off something I salvaged when I was moving out of dorms. They were chucking them out. There was a handful of that stuff, kind of like from a Chinese decoration lantern type things. So I'm gonna reuse that because I like recycling things, giving other uses for other things. So that's gonna be my source of power for the light. It's a bayonet connection in there. So we have a few spare ones lying around, so that will be good. So that's why that's there. Alrighty, we start with the star. How am I going to do this? I've never done this before. Never got to do it in the Philippines. In the Philippines, I use bamboo for these things. So I'm using what I have. Because, you know, I'm very poor and I like recycling stuff, so I grab stuff anywhere and everywhere. Yeah, okay. Oh. So I'm gonna put that there. So I'm going to try to figure out how I'm going to join them, and I'm going to need to do some insert cuts to this piece and that piece. So this piece and that piece, so it will go like that nicely. That's the plan. Still working it out in my head. Alright. This is where I get the chisel set. Oh yeah, I'll probably have to use a hand saw. And a hammer. A hammer and a hand saw. That'll be added to the tools I'm going to be using today. Okay, so I've marked out all the different areas that I'm going to cut. Okay, so there's markings there, and there, and down there. I've done that all the way through, and because, you know, my cuts are not always straight, not always to the measurement, because, you know, I'm always, because there's a scrap pieces and these materials, I'm sure, is cut in haste. I work pretty slow on my own. If I'm working with a team, I'm usually fast. Because I'm on my own and I'm working things out in my head as I'm going, that's a little bit slower. So, done the markings. Now I'm going to hand saw, because it's still early in the morning, kind of too early for power tools. So I'm going to hand saw, and then hammer and chisel all the different parts out together. So that's what I'm going to do next. Alright guys, so I've done my first cut over there, it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to do these two in the middle. I'm sure that's going to be a bit difficult, more difficult than the ends. Too deep. Don't want to go too deep, it's going to make it even easier. Those two are done. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna need a smaller chisel. $13. Alright. That's actually easier than I expected. Just take off the there you go. And there you have it, guys. Oh yeah. Nice. Cool beans. So I'm gonna do this with the rest of them. And ooh. Whoa. Okay. Gotta be careful with that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, so what's happened is I learned the hard way. I went to, because I was trying to do it traditionally with the bends, and I went to test it out. So the cuts that are on the outside, and I bend away from the cut. This material is not so good. So this. I'm going to try to find the actual material that is normally made with this type of decoration, bamboo. I'm going to try to find something. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Peace.
Hey YouTubers, the Random here. How you doing? Awesome. Thank you for watching all the way through the video. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So now you're here for one thing and one thing only. The announcements. Announcement number one. We realized in the previous announcement videos, we made announcements regarding 2 new series of Journey playing some gameplay videos. Decided that we're going to push them back because we want to push forward the older gameplay videos first. So that's what's going to happen. The series is still happening, and basically here's a taste of what you're going to expect. So here is this one. Nice. And the other series you can see over here. Sweet as. So there you go. A little bit of taste of what you might see in those 2 series gameplays. So look out for that. It's coming. We just want to push out the older ones so you can see our progression and how we are building this channel, and we're improving slowly but surely. So that's the reason that's the reason behind the decision. All right, we wanted to make sure you guys are seeing us progress and getting better. Alright, announcement number 2. So we wanted to share our current numbers for the channel. So here is the numbers. We are at, for our subscribers, we are at 1,340, which means we've reached the requirement, 1,000 subscribers. And our watch hours is currently sitting at 2,260, which the requirement is 4,000. So we're not exactly quite there yet to be part of the YouTubers partner thing. So please guys, help us out and watch our videos all the way through. Tell your friends all about it. Help us out. We really want you guys to help us out if possible. Watch all our videos, put it, get the playlist, loop it, let it play through, and hopefully some of our stuff is quite entertaining for you to keep on watching over and over and possibly over again. Announcement number 3. So basically with this one, announcement 3, I'm going to get my good friend Journey to come in and announce that, which is basically the next main video.
Hey guys, Journey here. Thank you very much, Darun-dom. You're awesome. So basically, the next main video is part 2 of the Parol build, because obviously you see in this video it was a fail. So the next main video is going to be a complete. You get to see it from start to finish, and hopefully educational, and you might want to do something similar. The next main video, attempt number 2, which is going to be a complete traditional Filipino Christmas decoration, pronounced Parol.
So that was my good friend Journey. So I mean the editor and everything else. It's the man. He's the man. Yeah, I couldn't do this channel without him. Anyways, there you have it. The 3 announcements. Announcement number 1 was letting you guys know that we're pushing the 2 series gameplay back, and we're gonna push forward our older gameplay videos. So that's what's happening. Announcement number 2 was showing you guys our current numbers, and we want you guys to help us out if possible with just watching all the way through our videos, and watch it over if you want to. That would be nice. Announcement number 3, obviously, Journey came in and told you guys what's the next one, and that's basically what you're gonna get. Cool. This is the random.
Goodbye.
Awesome, you're still here. Now, choose one of these 2 videos to watch next, and I'll see you there.